Hi guys, I hope bose mlifye bwino padi chinu ekyungulu. But skwena ndifo kulanda ko fe padi bali abana na mayo bali taking video. Bali ekopa abana okulashana mashana mu bed. Wena tamwa kwa tamana. Idia video mwa postite it's obvious mwala monani. How would you post such a video on such a platform? Facebook. Elo bana ni bamone. Elo bana ni bamone mlefu abana ni bamone tule mona yifwe abana ba 5 years 3 years balesha na masha mu bed. What are you trying to prove to other people? Don't you know that those children can easily get raped? They can easily get defiled. Sorry, not raped. They can easily get defiled. Pantu badi abana badi. No kumwale post atkanunga mama Gret mpasa enkonyu. Mama Gret na bokuya mkuma kuita ko bakupera ko in. What if those children get defiled? No, it's obvious they're not your children because ingabana benu katamwachi telephone if you don't post other people's children on such a platform. And you call yourself teachers. For what reason? To make children dance like that, like strippers in a club? Really? That is wrong. Eronga bana bandi mwaleshani shafidia. Aranga mwaliru mwenako. Nga ni idia mushiri wale isuka Sodom na Gomorrah around too. Nga mwaliru mwenako. You don't do that. Don't you know those kids? You're drawing people's attention. You're drawing men are not strong. Aba umetabako sa. So badabe mama Gret mwale itabadi yale putika muri yale putika. Ile chitanef. Ile putika. Imota muishibe imu. A teacher will even fail to teach a child properly, only thinking of how good they can be in bed. But don't you know those are children? Teachers, and you even post on Facebook. For what reason? Were the parents aware? Ama koi na yawe ne shuwa mle pangile mpia mubani. Nishita mwaile mkufula mina mwa mkushana imwe beni. Why? Why would you even do that? You're taking advantage of those little children. Besa kulia mkuskuru mkusambirida. Even if it was a closing bash, that was wrong. They come there for education. Not to dance like strippers in a bar. Not to dance like, I don't know. Pantu amashayaria, bambinaba upota ba yeshiba. I know how to dance, quite alright, I know how to dance. But, chadi mpapusha na chitirefyo kuisura kanua. Natifishi ndemona. Mwatana no kuposta pa Facebook, atamwa kwa tamano mayo inu. Chumwarere cha ice block muri suba. Tamwa kwa tama, you don't have scope, medula tamwa boom. You don't have. Because you're supposed to be conscious. You're too inconsiderate about other people's feelings. What are the bludu ababa na mwale ko papa Facebook bare umfu? Children dancing like that. Now my own mom said that's how Cham said which. Because this is total stupidity. This is stupidness. How would you even do that? And you call yourself a teacher. You expect children to respect you that way when you tell them to dance in public. Did they even know you're taking videos of them? Mulibisi mle rumba. Mulibisi mle rumba te? Fiari wa makuri mwe fiari nona. Mle kwa tamana. Careful. You don't do that to other people's kids. Even parents. Where those kids are coming from? Look at their background. Do your parents dance like that in front of your kids? Do your sisters, do your cousins, do your whatever dance like that in front of your nieces? It is wrong. They're supposed to get a clear picture of you. You're supposed to lead a good example for those kids. Don't let kids take a bad example. I wasn't quiet because I'm stupid. I was quiet because I was thinking. I was very disappointed. Okay. I was embarrassed. Why would kids dance like that? Where are the parents? What are the teachers doing? What is their conscience? Mama Gret, mupase nkonyu yo. Na baba mkuma kumatako kale kake nakakweta matako kale. Nishita bamupelele ko inu lyo wale shukala kale imyamodu kale kale chitamuso. Mankupera pafu ya ule wino wako etako. Pano nyishi na iputika ile chitanefi. Mama Gret na iputika. I watched that videos about 3 times. It wasn't impressive. Amashaya mubedi ewa abana baleshana 5 years 3 years. And you're posting that video on such platforms like Facebook. What if they get defiled? What happens? Bize nokulabutuka kuma police. Yeah, my child has been defiled. Muleke no bupubo. Ku police mwira twalira ko because fyakuyiretere efi. My problems is saying pano. You don't do that. Make it this first and last time you do that. If you wanted to take such a video, you should have kept it to yourself. Don't post on such platforms. Why didn't you dance very stupid? Who does that? If they were your children, would you have made them dance like that? No. Learn to be fair. God is a fair God. What you're doing is injustice. Do your job as teachers. Don't let people get what can I say, a bad picture. You teachers are there to give children knowledge, not to destroy them. No. Not to destroy them. Abana kutiba ashana mwalumba, but not in that way. Because you're tempting a lot of people out there. Abantu tabakosa. So you're supposed to know. You're supposed to know when you're doing things. Muna shita vini kwa tamna itoto nkanyao. Amangireti mupasa nkuwa ni mwana uyu. Ama koi ni omle fu omle pangira abana babe ni ndarama. Ama koi ni omle fu omle pangira abana omle amkushita braids kunganda. What kind of stupidity is this? Who does that? And parents are supposed to stand up. Why would you let someone take advantage of your child like that and later on keep quiet? And if you're a parent there and you're in support of that, you're also stupid. That's what I'm going to tell you, because you're also stupid. How would you let your child dance like that in public? Do you know that anything bad can easily happen to your children? I'm not talking about only what happened to those people. We as women are upset. Bachepesha abana bachepesha. Umubiri wasumina but age yachepesha. Those children, they are children. Tuvana turenuka namabere tulio tomuleshanisha shuwa mashaya mubedi. Nenso nitamukwete. Mule kwata man.